Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethe Ndumiso 1-0 to Orlando Pirates. We just put Siwelele. Thoughts on the game?
Ngicabanga ukuthi both teams had good game. However, Orlando Pirates was thathe isikhathi ukuthi ibe on form. Yeah, yona izamile yabona apolice uzamile ukuthi abricate defense, and then luckily sitholile goal before the final whistle. Yeah, I want to give up to Umbegazeli Mbokazi. Kata zama ukuthola amagoli so namhlanje final ulitholile. I'm happy for Umbokazi namhlanje ukuthi final ulitholile igoli ekade alifuni. And I want to give up to Coach Awad. Coach Awadu simjudgile the first 2 games asaxolisa for lokho, and then Coach Awadu I want to find out futhi ukuthi ikhona ilife yokuthi ugoalkeeper akasebenze from ekhaya because akasa concede kule insuku uyabo. The last time, if not mistaken, the last time uSipho Chain concede was 26 August if not mistaken. Namhlanje is the 1st of October. Namhlanje it's over a month. Yabona pick ups to iback line Orlando Pirates ulibone Siyema naye futhi pick ups for yena. Yabona Umbegazeli Mbokazi uHoto on the left, and then uLibito naye I think uyayithatha lesa spot lesa njengamanje bo. So mina I want to give up to back side Orlando Pirates. I want to give up to a tactical decision ga Coach Award kwi middle lane uyadlala ngabo. Now player rotation uyayenza lapha. Siyayibona lapha nathatha uSibelebele ambeka ngapha, uthatha uMbule umbeka lapha, nathatha uMfukeng umbeka on the 10, of which into kade isifuna last season is squad depth. Ngiyabonga kakhulu to whoever oscoutayo for Orlando Pirates, and then ama player ba oscoutile 100%.
Beautiful. And then we saw Master Chef Magangena. He changed the game instantly. Thoughts on the performance ga Master Chef?
For me before Master Chef engene, when Umariko engene I change igame change. When bakhipha uNduli for Umariko, then igame yaqala ya change. Bad game for Unduli namhlanje, of which it's not a problem. Ayikho players odlala 100% all the time. Kodwa the tactical decision yaka Coach Awad ukuthi afake uAwad as well as introduce uMbule at a later part of the game, when mina that's why I give up to Coach Awad for ukwenza ama tactical changes all the time. Hayi namhlanje kuphela. If you can remember my game, I think for the past 5 games wonke ama change akawayenza ayenza impact egame all the time. So give up to Coach Awad.
Kudos to Coach Awaru. And then we saw Umakhopa, some of the supporters saying that was a poor penalty that he missed in the first half. I think it was around 4 minutes. We went against any penalty Umakhopa.
For me, I think it's at least it's not Ubanjiwe or Ukechile like a complete miss. Ishaipal, of which it happens. It's not all the time. Which is during the week. And then lose goalkeeper namhlanje in terms of direction. However, ushaye the woodwork, you understand. So I guess it's something futhi angayithathi futhi ayibeke on his shoulders ukuthi ubambezele i-team. No, luckily sitholile i-winning goal. However, umesile, and that's fine. Uzothola inye chance next time uzokora elinye penalty.
On to the next one, Paganina Eshizospazamisa the international break. We're playing against Polokwane immediately when we come back. Thoughts on that?
According to me, I just wish nje kuphela ukuthi besiphambili ngama game, you understand? Because this thing yokuthi sisemuva ngama game, now it makes it difficult for Tina ukuthi, meaning that now igame esizoyidlala kuyomela ukuthi kube must win because sifuna ukuya number 1. You understand? So now if ukuthi sisemuva, and of which league favor team or my points are favor team, if sidlala our game in hand, doesn't guarantee a straight win, you understand? Now we are playing under pressure to make sure we win a game there. But however, I think ucoach uzokwazi ukuthi athole isikhathi nokuthi abone ukuthi ama player wakho uzowadlala ngayiphi indlela while laba abanye bahambile for national collapse, you understand? I think the likes of Nemtajela and everything uzokwazi ukuthi you know, just to find out ukuthi bona ngabahlanganisa kanjani, so that laba mebabuya at least bathole something bawazi ukuthi ba build. and then mina ngokuya kwami nje ngijahe nje kuphela ukuthi at least ama-game asilingane sonke ngama-game, you understand.
Sibone ukuthi
Now,
ubani
yabona
ubani.
le PSL, I'm very disappointed in terms of the PSL. When you look at the EPL, you look at the La Liga, you look at the Italy, the Serie A. Even if a team that is playing from Leo specific league, even if a team yahamba for whatever UEFA or whatever, but ama-game ayalingana at all times. Lento leyo ukuthi amanye team isemuva ina 8 games, the other one iku 9 games, no, when iyasikabatha serious.
It's something that we need to fix. I agree with you. Thanks Pagania. Bopa.